If you've been wondering how to enable or disable the quality filter on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can control the kind of notifications you see, reduce spam, and customize your X experience the way you want. Whether you want fewer low-quality alerts or you want to see everything coming through, this is simple to do once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, sign in to your X account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left sidebar and click More. This opens up the additional menu options for your account. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account, privacy, and notification controls. Now in the Settings menu, click Notifications. This section controls how X handles alerts, mentions, replies, and different notification filters. After that, click Filters. This is the exact area where you'll find the Quality Filter option. Once you're inside the Filters menu, look for Quality Filter. You'll see a checkbox next to it. If you want X to filter out low quality, duplicate, or automated content, go ahead and check the box to enable it. If you want to turn it off and receive more notifications, simply uncheck the box to disable it. The best part is that X saves this setting automatically, so you don't need to press a separate save button. After changing the option, just return to your notifications page and review how your alerts appear. If the quality filter is enabled, you should notice fewer spammy or repetitive notifications. If it's disabled, you may start seeing more notifications overall, including some that are lower quality. Just so you know, the quality filter does not affect notifications from accounts you follow or from accounts you've recently interacted with. That means your important alerts should still come through while X tries to reduce the noise from less relevant content. This is useful if your notifications are getting cluttered and you want a cleaner inbox. However, if you turn the quality filter off, be prepared for a higher number of notifications, including potential spam or low-quality interactions. So if you prefer a more filtered experience, keeping it on is usually the better choice. If you want maximum visibility and don't mind extra alerts, turning it off may be the better option for you. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable the quality filter on X.com or Twitter in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.